Hey everyone, if you're looking for a free AI tool with lots of cool features without any signups, yes, this tool will really surprise you. So let's get started and see what it can do. First, type Vheer AI into your browser and click on the first link. Once the site opens, you will see the top it says a free online image generator. So scroll down to explore all the features available. Let's start with the AI text to image tool. Click on AI text to image and then click on generate image from text. Here you can generate an image from text prompt. Paste your desired prompt here. Choose the aspect ratio and then click on generate. So here you can see the amazing results. It's amazing and so realistic. Let's have some fun with this tool. Now I'm gonna create a video from an image. Here you need to click on image to video, then click on generate video from an image and upload your image. You will see some additional settings. I will go with the default settings and then click on generate. It will take some time, so finally you can see the results. It's realistic and smooth. I don't know why, but I found VO3 and Flux Kontext is better than this. So yeah, through this tool you can use Flux Kontext for free. Click on Context Editor, then click on Flux Kontext, upload your image and describe what do you want to change in the image. For example, change her dress color to blue. So you can see it changes her dress color without any other changes. Here you can explore other features like AI background changer, AI background remover, text behind, image editor and image outliner, color palette generator and more. So background remover, you can remove background of any image and you can also convert the background into solid colors. Hope you like this video, so please like, share and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.